Welcome to Pure Bonheur, where we embrace the healing power of Reiki by offering you a free initiation. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process for performing Reiki self-treatment. You can also use this video while you make your first self-treatment as a guide. Join us as we embark on a journey of self-healing and inner harmony. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax and focus on your well-being, and follow the step-by-step guided self-treatment. You can keep your eyes open and follow the video, or if it helps you focus, close your eyes. The audio will be sufficient. Begin by grounding and centering yourself. Imagine roots extending from the soles of your feet, grounding you to the earth. Feel your connection to the earth's nurturing energy, allowing it to stabilize and balance you. Visualize a vibrant, healing light surrounding your body. Allow this light to cleanse and clear any stagnant or negative energy from your aura. As the light passes through your energy field, envision it dissolving any blockages and bringing forth a sense of clarity and purification. Let's start at the crown of your head, the gateway to spiritual connection and higher consciousness. Gently place your hands, fingertips touching, on the top of your head. Feel the warmth and energy flowing from your palms as you invite healing and relaxation into this area. Now, move your hands to your forehead, positioning them just above the space between your eyebrows. Allow the energy to flow and awaken your intuition, promoting clarity and inner wisdom. Slide your hands down to your throat, resting them gently on the front of your neck. This position encourages open communication, self-expression, and harmonious energy flow. Place your hands over your heart, one palm on top of the other, in the center of your chest. Feel the loving energy radiating from your hands, nurturing your heart center and promoting compassion, self-love, and emotional healing. Move your hands to your upper abdomen, just below the rib cage. Allow your hands to rest naturally, feeling the warmth and energy circulating in your solar plexus. This position supports personal power, confidence, and transformation. Now, gently move your hands down to your lower abdomen, a few inches below your navel. Feel the connection with your creative and sensual energy, embracing joy, passion, and emotional balance. Finally, place your hands on your lower body, resting them on your thighs or just above your knees. Visualize grounding roots extending from your body, connecting you to the earth's nurturing energy. This position promotes stability, strength, and a sense of security. Visualize the flow of Reiki energy as a gentle, soothing river of light moving through your body. Allow this energy to flow naturally, nourishing and harmonizing your physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects. Trust in the innate wisdom of Reiki to address your unique healing needs. Take your time to experience the healing energy flowing through you. Be present with any sensations, emotions, or insights that arise. Surrender to the healing process, knowing that you are creating space for transformation and well-being. As you conclude your self-treatment session, express gratitude for the healing energy that has flowed through you. Thank yourself for prioritizing your well-being and committing to self-care. Take a few deep breaths, feeling a sense of rejuvenation and inner peace. Congratulations on completing your Reiki self-treatment. Remember, the power of healing lies within you, and practicing self-treatment allows you to connect with your own innate healing abilities. Subscribe to Pure Bonheur for more empowering content and continue your journey of self-discovery and holistic well-being.